All right, well, they finished up pretty late last night. They got some of this stuff out. I'm out here walking on it. It's pretty, everything's all right. Let's see here. Numbnuts just took a 5-gallon pee right here on the new concrete, so I just kind of rinsed it off real quick. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So the garage will start right about this area here, right at that post. This post here and that corner of the wall. So all of this up to there, which is 3.5 meters, I think. And then it will be, you know, again, 3.5 meters is really tall. It's gonna come way over like this. But yeah, that is it. Nothing too exciting. I'm glad it's all done. Now we can park Big Pearl up here and not be in 4 inches of mud and nastiness everywhere, and it'll be much better for everybody. We got the sprinklers kicked off last night. What is this guy doing? This guy's a mess. Anyway, we got the sprinklers working last night. Was very well. They're starting to cover. You can kind of see where the water line is now here. So from here back, all this is now covered all the way down. So it's very nice. So we'll get all this grass. Oh, and of course, those last 3 meters that run all the way around, the outside sprinkler covers them now. So now we'll have grass all the way around, and they cover all these bare patches in the middle. So it'll work out. And that's it for now.